Just like Grant Cardone says, everything is 10 times harder, takes 10 times longer, and typically 10 times more money than you think that it's going to take.
You have to choose your hard. And people go, well, this is hard and it takes a long time. It's like nothing that's going to be worth it in life is going to be easy. And sometimes things that aren't worth it aren't easy anyway.
Now some of those payouts have happened, and this was years ago. And the funny thing is for every dollar that the people put in that they're now getting back in Bitcoin, they're up like a 50x or 100x, like something bananas.
My guest today is an entrepreneur, real estate investor, and crypto expert. He listened to his gut and didn't quit and closed a life-changing deal, making more in one transaction than he made his best year in tech and never looked back.
You just have to stay in the game. If you can just stay in the game, you're going to win.
And he is now helping friends, family, and busy professionals create passive income and grow wealth with more certainty and less risk through cash flowing crypto portfolios. My family mastermind brethren, welcome to the A Game Podcast, Mr. Dane Bullwinkle.
Those are the types of opportunities that you have by having the right guidance, managing your risk well, and understanding your timing. Anybody can get some exposure and play their hand well as long as they have the right help.
This is probably the best conversation I've had in crypto since I started. Dude, that was such incredible info. A+ on explaining that in layman's terms. So, Dane Bullwinkle, ladies and gentlemen, A Game Podcast.